Where are we? I see a former logo. Spin around. What is that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a Tait in public. It's supposed to be leaving like now, but it's a Tait and it's leaving. Let's get a close up just quickly before it leaves. Oh, here it goes. And there it goes, the Tait that visited Werribee temporarily, but it will return. Here it goes. Look at the amount of gunzils. The gunzils are in full effect. Oh, it's out of focus. Oh, now it's in focus. Farewell Tait, and next door we have an extrapolis just rocking out. Look at that. I don't think anyone cares about that, but there it goes in the distance. An amazing Tait. Excellent. And that will conclude this week's video because I ran out of time. But I thought you should enjoy a blast from the gunzilicular past. Alright, see you next week.